My name is Paul and I am Head of Compliance for a major insurance company. I joined the company almost a year ago with a clear brief to improve our compliance policies and procedures in order to become recognised within the industry as being best in class. I would like to tell you about one important change my team and I have implemented and is delivering with very encouraging results. We previously used speech analytics to analyse calls and identify those that were non-compliant. We came to realise that this process was expensive. Though it provided us with important benefits, I quickly recognised that our process lacked a positive feedback loop to ensure there was a continuous learning and improvement process. Having a large number of employees with the normal attrition levels, I realised that if we're going to achieve high levels of compliance, we needed to create a continuous improvement culture based on performance standards which our employees understood and were equipped with the necessary competencies. We realised that if we were to become an excellent organisation that delivers a compliant and memorable customer experience, we needed to instill the right soft skills as well as an understanding of the correct company policies to meet compliant requirements. That way we could give our employees the confidence, the appreciation of the why, not only the what, and a commitment to meeting the required standards. We concluded that it required a culture change built on continuous reinforcement learning. We researched the market and discovered a cloud-based solution from Qualtrak called Coach. The solution is integrated to both our call recorder and the speech analytics engine and acts as the feedback loop by enabling our supervisors to use the non-compliant calls and to easily and quickly create personalised bite-sized online coaching nuggets using the call recordings plus the analysis. The coaching nuggets are interactive and undertaken by the employees during convenient times. What we liked about Coach was that we were able to convert every regulatory non-compliant incident as well as other non-performing outcomes into positive learning opportunities. Let me describe briefly how we implemented Coach. Coach uses RESTful APIs to easily integrate the product to the call recorder. Qualtrak also integrated Coach to the speech analytics engine. Being a true cloud service, Coach can be used with an external hosted speech analytics service. We recognised that if we were going to successfully win the hearts and minds of our employees and supervisors, we needed to communicate effectively the vision for this project and benefits to our employees and to our customers. We paid special attention to gaining the support of our supervisors. Now, let me describe briefly how Coach works. A feature called IntelliSearch enables us to specify which teams of employees are to be included in the coaching program. The calls are analysed daily by the speech analytics engine, and the data is captured by Coach and added to a powerful search engine called Elasticsearch. The data includes the evidence of the non-compliant incident or any other competency such as soft skills, product or policy knowledge, and avoiding repeat calls. The evidence is timestamped and can be played within Coach. We use Coach for other needs. For example, when launching a new product, we search out these calls and provide coaching reinforcement during the first few weeks. This complements the classroom-based training given and ensures a much more effective rollout of new products or policies. We also use Coach to onboard new employees and reduce the overall time it took to achieve competence. The role of Elasticsearch is not only to handle and search vast amounts of data, but provides us with an opportunity to use big data analysis. Another feature within Coach is called IntelliSearch Profiles. This enables us to define the search criteria easily and quickly. It allows us to specify things the employees would have said or not said, and things the customer would have said or not said. This simple process enables us to create a library of IntelliSearch profiles for each compliance requirement and competencies. The profiles are fired at Elasticsearch nightly for the entire organisation, and by when the supervisors start work, they are automatically presented with the non-compliant calls that we like to call needles in the haystack and ready to create personalised coaching nuggets. To help the supervisor to focus on the right areas for coaching, Coach includes another feature called IntelliData. This displays the analysis data, enabling the supervisor to play the call segments and guide them in the authoring of the coaching nugget. Coach enables the supervisor to add observations illustrated with call segments. Probing questions are also added, which allows the employee to respond with an answer plus call segments. Finally, the supervisor can attach learning content in the form of audio and video clips, PDF files, short PowerPoints, image files, and links to the company's knowledge base. One of the many strengths of Coach is that the supervisor is not limited to using the call segments from the analysis, but can create their own call segments with comments to highlight other learning aspects to help the employee better understand the context. For example, something the customer said which would have been a perfect hook to use to recommend another product or service that would interest the customer. In addition to using speech analytics, Coach also includes emotion analytics. This identifies the various emotional traits from both the customer and the employee and is captured within IntelliData. It is used to coach our employees to recognize different emotional traits and respond in the most appropriate way. For example, being able to diffuse an angry customer. We appreciate and value Qualtrak's commitment to the continuous innovation of Coach.